I count 'em.
From a land, from a faraway place, where caravan camels roam. When the winds from the east and the suns from the west, and the sand in the glass is right, come on down, step on our carpet and fly to another Arabian night. Come on in, let the magic begin. It's another Arabian night. Arabian night, sing Arabian blues. Although we start, going forward, out there on the and understand all I need for G inside every door. Believe all this and that. So much, no one's very much right. Come here and lose. Come to a land where any mountain can move. A land of pine tree with tricky logistics, but promise and I'm not statistics. Arabian
Keep one jump ahead of the red line, one swing ahead of the sword. I steal only what I can't afford, and that's everything. One jump ahead of the lawman, that's all, and that's no joke. These guys don't appreciate how we roll. Gotta eat to live, gotta steal to eat. Tell me all about it when I got the time. One jump ahead of the slow moves, one skip ahead of my doom. Next time, I'm gonna use an olive bloom. One jump ahead of the hitman, one answer ahead of the flock. I think I'll take a stroll around the block. One jump ahead of the police, one hop ahead of the army, one trick ahead of disaster. They're quick, but I'm much faster. Here goes, better throw my hand and wish and happy landing. All I gotta do is go! Sometimes it's just way too easy. Disturbs my soul. The one whose worth lies deep within. I don't believe it. Wish me luck.
Let's give it the hop, hop, honey, and ah, can you give me a feature, I thought I had 1,000 tables. We got to give me love, cause I'm your sweet. You know you gotta do it, brother, and I'll say, Mr. Mr.
gets better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every time it's
I'll chase them anywhere. It's time to spare.
let me share this whole new world with you. For you and me.
I just love a happy ending. Esta es la batalla que se comienza directamente en Braille y se va a caminar. Carrera amarilla y la carrera de Aladín. Pues ahí la sala del portal de Caribeí. Podéis coger aquí el primer despegue de esta final de la modalidad. Por la batalla carrera amarilla y la carrera millón de horas. Ahora con ese ya al King clasificar. La batalla carrera amarilla, Villa Cabrera, Aladín.
Thank you.